If you win the morning, you win the day. And if you win any day, you win your life. The difference between successful people and average people. It starts in the morning. So today I am going to show you the perfect morning routine for success. Let's begin. First rule, wake up early. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. like everyone on the internet says, but wake up at least 1 hour earlier than usual. Why? Because early morning are quiet. No distractions, no noise, no stress. That quiet time is where focus is built. When you wake up early, you tell your brain, I am in control, and control creates confidence. This is very important. Do not start your day with social media. When you wake up and scrolling, you give your mind to the wall, and instead protect your first 30 minutes. No Instagram, no TikTok, no messages. Your morning should build you, not distract you. Success requires energy, and energy comes from movement. Do 5 minutes to 30 minutes of working, stretch, push up, light workout, or even simple home exercise. You don't need a gym, you just need movement. You will move your body, you wake up your brain, you feel alive, you feel strong, you feel ready. Your body needs food, your mind needs knowledge. Spend at least 15 minutes doing one of these: reading a book, listening to a podcast, learning a new skill, reviewing your goals. Successful people learning daily, average people scrolling daily. Which one do you want to be? Never start your day without a plan. If you don't plan your day will control you. Take 5 minutes and write 3 important tasks. Your main goal for today. One thing that moves you forward. Keep it simple. Don't write 20 tasks. Focus on what matters most. Clarity removes stress. Before you leave your house, take 1 minute, just 1 minute. Close your eyes and think. What I am grateful: healthy, family, opportunities, life, gratitude, create space. Space creates power. When you start your day grateful, you think clearly. And the clear thinking creates better decisions. Now imagine this. You wake up early. You don't touch your phone. You move your body. You growth your mind. You plan your day. You feel grateful. That is your powerful morning. And a powerful morning creates powerful lives. Successful is not lucky. It is daily routine. If you're ready to fix your morning, comment below. I will win my morning. Like this video, subscribe for more life your contact, and share this with someone who needs this structure. Remember, control your mind, control your life, stay focused, stay disciplined, live up your life. Okay?